Prepare tools, accessories, and garments. First, install the embroidery frame support. Lightly tighten with a 3mm Allen wrench. Please select the hole position according to the frame. Same on the other side. Then insert the garment frame. Adjust embroidery frame gap. Tighten the screws. Machine boot. Select the corresponding frame. Then push up against the frame and push out. Place the hoop under the garment surface. Put backing paper. Tidy up the surface. Press the frame to fix the position. Tighten the screws. Then insert the garment frame. The first step is to choose the pattern. Step 2, adjust the parameters according to the needs. Step 3, choose the color. Adjust to proper position. Check embroidery position. Adjust running speed. Confirm embroidery. Start embroidery.